Hello, I'm Abhishek. So in this video, we are going to discuss set 2 of our must solve question series. The question is, a fortune teller has a unique way of predicting his customers' fate. He has kept 3 parrots in 3 different cages. Each cage also has 3 cards with a single digit non-zero number inscribed on every card. No 2 cards have the same number and no cages contain 2 cards with the digits summing to 10. So this is very important information. Information is no 2 cards have the same number. Fine. तो किसी भी 2 कार्ड पे सेम नंबर नहीं होना चाहिए एंड नो केजेस कंटेन 2 कार्ड्स विद डिजिट समिंग टू 10. किसी भी पर्टिकुलर केज में कोई भी 2 कार्ड्स का सम 10 नहीं आना चाहिए. Further, the total of the numbers on the 3 cards in the first cage is greater than the second by 2 and the third cage by 4. So, suppose this is cage 1, this is cage 2, and this is cage 3. So the sum of the numbers in this particular cage, cage 1, is greater than the sum of the numbers in cage 2 by 2 and is greater than the sum of numbers in cage 3 by 4. So let us assume the value of the sum of the numbers in third cage was x. Let this be cage C, this is cage B, and this is cage A. Fine. So the sum of the numbers in cage A must be 4 more than this. So it must be x plus 4 then. And this number is 2 more than the sum of the numbers in cage B. So here it must be x plus 2. Fine. Further, when a customer asks for his prognosis, the fortune teller lets out the 3 parrots which randomly pick 1 card out of their respective cages. So there is 1 parrot in this cage, 1 in this, and 1 in this. So what the parrot will do is each of the parrot will take out 1 card from their respective cages. Before the prognosis is made, the fortune teller totals the digit on the 3 cards picked out and charges the customer the same number of rupees as the total of the card. So suppose the parrot takes out the card number 7 from here, 5 from here, and 2 from here. So the total becomes 14. So he will charge the customer 14 rupees. Fine. One day a customer paid 7 rupees for his prognosis, and this is one important information given to us, that one day a customer paid 7 rupees. Now see, there are 3 numbers in this particular case, 3 in this and 3 in this. There are in total of 9 one-digit number, and all the numbers are non-zero. So basically from this information we can say that the digits used for the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only. And the total of all these numbers becomes summation of 9. Summation of 9 equals 9 into 10 by 2 and into n plus by 1 by 2 using this formula, and this comes out to be 45. Fine. So the sum of all the numbers in all the 3 cages must be equal to 45. Right? So let us solve and find the value of x. So x plus 4 plus x plus 2 plus x, this must be equal to 45. So here, from here we can say that 3x plus 6 is equal to 45. Or from here we can say that x is equal to 13. So now when we know the value of x, so we can easily find out the sum of numbers in cage A. So the sum of numbers in cage A is nothing but 17. Here it must be 15, and in cage C it is 13. So I am writing the sum. Here it is 17, here it is 15, and in this case it is 13. Fine. Now let us try to use the other information that is given to us. So let me remove this first. We have already used all this information, so I am removing this. Okay. So the information जो अभी हमको use करना बचा है, that we have still not used is this. No cages contain 2 cards with digits summing to 10. ये अभी use करना बचा है. Fine. And one day a customer paid 7 rupees for his prognosis. So these 2 conditions we still need to use. So let us move to the second slide. यहाँ पे हम इसको solve करते हैं. Okay. So now what we need to do is from numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need to give 3 numbers to box A, 3 to cage B, and 3 to cage C, such that the sum of the numbers in cage A is equal to 17, that in B equals 15, and in C equals 13. Now, the important question is from where to start solving this question. Right. So let us do one thing. हम कहाँ से start करते हैं? सबसे पहले सबसे बड़े नंबर पे फोकस करते हैं. So let's focus on 9. Now I am assuming that 9 वाला नंबर केस C में है. So this is the first case when 9, the number 9, digit 9 is in case C. Now the remaining two, the sum of remaining two numbers must be equal to 4, so as to make the total of 30. अब 4 हम किस तरह से कर सकते हैं? Either it can be 1 3, either it can be 2 2, either it can be 3 1. Now this 3 1 and 1 3 is one in the same case only. Fine. So इसको दोबारा note करने की there is no need. So let me remove this. 2 2 we cannot use because we have 1 2 only. So this is also not possible. And this case is also not possible. Why? Because उस पर्टिकुलर केस में इन दोनों नंबर का सम 10 हो जाएगा. एंड इन द क्वेश्चन वी आर गिवन विद द कंडीशन दैट नो टू नंबर्स मस्ट इक्वल द सम 10. So this case is also not possible. So basically from this we can say that we cannot have the number 9 in case C. So now let us do one thing. Let us give this number 9 to case B. So when we give this number 9 to KHB, then let us check out for the possibilities. Now what we need to do is for the remaining, from the remaining two number, we need to have the sum of 6, so as to make the total sum equal to 15. Now sum 6 can be made in 1 5, this is equal to 6, or 2 4, ये भी 6 होता है, or it can be 3 3 as well. Now हम 4 to use नहीं कर सकते. Reason being this is just the repetition of this case only, right? So these three cases are there. Now this 3 3 case is not possible. Why? Because we have 1 3 only, so this case is not possible. 1 5 is also not possible. Reason being यहाँ पे इन दोनों का सम 10 हो जाएगा, जो हमारी कंडीशन को कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट करता है. So this is also not possible. The only possibility over here is 9 2 and 4. So this is one of the possible case, 9 2 and 4. Now let us focus on this case only. Fine. अब हमने सबसे बड़े नंबर से स्टार्ट किया था और हम सबसे बड़े नंबर को यूज कर चुके हैं. तो बेसिकली वी हैव यूज्ड दिस 9, वी हैव यूज्ड दिस 2 एंड वी हैव यूज्ड दिस 4 एज वेल. ये तीनों हमने यूज कर लिए. नाउ लेट अस फोकस ऑन द रिमेनिंग नंबर एंड द सम दैट वी नीड टू मेक फ्रॉम देम. सो बॉक्स सी में द सम शुड बी इक्वल टू 13. नाउ लेट अस डू वन थिंग. लेट अस सपोज दैट दिस नंबर 8 इज इन बॉक्स सी. अब रिमेनिंग टू नंबर से हमें कितना सम बनाना है? 5, जिससे टोटल कितना हो जाएगा? 13. तो 5 किस तरह से हो सकता है? इधर इट कैन बी 1 4 और इट कैन बी 2 3. These are the only two possibilities. But then 1 4 is not possible. Reason? We have already used 4 over here in case B. 2 3 is again not possible for the same reason. We have already used 2 over here. So basically we can say that from this information we can say that we cannot have number 8 in this cage. We cannot have number 8 in cage C. So now this is definite that number 8 must be in cage A only. Fine. तो यहाँ पर हम यदि substitute करते हैं from the remaining two number, we need to have a sum of 9, so that the total becomes 17. Now 9 किस तरह से हो सकता है? It can be 1 8, but this is not possible. 8 पहले ही use हो चुका है. It can be 2 7, again not possible because we have already used 2 over here. It can be equal to 3 and 6. The total becomes how much? 17. Fine. So this is one of the possibility. ठीक है. यहाँ पर हमने किसी भी दो डिजिट का सम भी 10 नहीं हो रहा है, तो वो कंडीशन भी कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट नहीं हुई है. The total must be equal to 17. वो भी हो रहा है. 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 3 is 17. यहाँ पर टोटल 15 ऑलरेडी हो रहा है. यहाँ पर जो रिमेनिंग 3 नंबर थे उनका सम मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 13, और वो होगा ही होगा. So 1 बच गया था जो हमने यहाँ पर यूज कर लिया. 3 we have already used over here. 5 remaining था, we need to use it over here, and 7. So that total becomes 13. So yes, this is one of the possibility. Fine. तो ये एक केस है which is possible. ठीक है. अब इसके अलावा और कोई पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है. हमने 9 को यहाँ दिया था, 8 को यहाँ देना ही पड़ेगा. तो दिस इज ओनली वन ऑफ द पॉसिबिलिटी which is possible. हाँ, अब सेकंड केस पे आते हैं. हमने 9 को केस सी में देने का ट्राई किया, that was not possible. केस बी में देने का ट्राई किया, that was possible in one case only. Now let us try to give this value 9 to केस A. तो हम 9 यहाँ पर केस A में देते हैं. From the remaining two number we need to have a sum of 17, a total sum of 17. So 17 minus 9, so इन दोनों का sum must be equal to 8. Now 8 कैसे possible है? 1 7 बट 17 नहीं ले सकते, रीजन बीइंग इन दोनों का इक्वल टू 10, तो 17 नहीं हो सकता है यहाँ पे। 26, दिस इज पॉसिबल नाउ, तो दिस इज वन ऑफ द केस। 9 के साथ यदि हम 26 के अलावा सपोज वी टेक 3 and 5, तो दिस इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल, फाइन। उसके बाद इन केस वी टेक 4 and 4, so this is not possible because we cannot repeat any number, fine. So basically we can say that here we have one more possibility, 926 and 935, fine. Now let's focus on this 926. हम इस 926 पे फोकस करते हैं। जब ये वाला केस चल रहा है 926 वाला, तो लेट अस अगेन फोकस ऑन 8, द सेकंड हाईएस्ट नंबर, ठीक है, सेकंड हाईएस्ट नंबर 8 पर फोकस करते हैं। तो आई एम ट्राइंग टू गिव दिस 8 टू दिस केस सी। अब यहाँ पे रिमेनिंग टू नंबर का सम मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 5, रिमेनिंग टू का सम 5 होना चाहिए, तो लेट अस ट्राई विद 1 and 4। नाउ दिस इज पॉसिबल, दिस इज क्वाइट पॉसिबल, ठीक है, दिस इज नॉट कॉन्ट्राडिक्टिंग एनी ऑफ द कंडीशन, फाइन। Or can we have 8 and 2 3? No, this is not possible because 2 we have already used, and secondly 8 plus 2 will make a total of 10, so this is not possible. Now to make a sum of 5 we have only these two cases only, उन दोनों में से we have only one possibility over here। इसी केस की बात करते हैं, तो यहाँ पर we have already used 9 2 6 1 4 and 8, so the remaining numbers are 3 and 5 and 7, and the total becomes 15. But in this particular case, the 7 plus 3 will become 10. So this is again contradicting one of the condition. So this case is also not possible now. When we are trying to give 8 to case C. Now let us try to give this 8 to case B then. हम इस 8 को case B को देने का try करते हैं। तो 8 जैसे हमने case B को दिया, तो from the remaining two number we need to have a sum of 7. Fine. अब 7 किस तरह से हो सकता है? Either it can be 1 6, but 1 6 is not possible because we have already used 6 over here. Fine. Let it be 2 5. Again not possible because we have already used 2 over here. So let us try to have 3 and 4. Now this is not contradicting any of the condition. 8, 3 and 4 is not contradicting any of the condition. So yes, this is one of the possibilities it seems. Fine. Now let us check for the remaining numbers. So remaining numbers के लिए यदि हम check करेंगे, so we have already used these 6 numbers, so the remaining numbers are I think 1 and 5 and 7, and yes, the total becomes 13. वो तो होना ही था anyways. Fine. So this is one of the possibility. ठीक है? Now let us move to this case. So in this case we have already used 9 over here. 9 हम यहाँ पर use नहीं कर सकते हैं. Let us try for it once again. एक बार हम कोशिश करते हैं कि हम 9 8 को यहाँ पर यूज करें केस सी में। So 8, now from the remaining two number I need to have a sum of how much? 5. तो यदि हम 1 4 लेते हैं तो now this is possible, यहाँ पर 5 हो पा रहा है। रिमेनिंग नंबर्स जो इस केस बी में आएंगे, they are we have already used 1 3 and 4, so 2 is remaining, I think 6 is remaining and 7 is remaining, and the total will become 15. Fine. So this is also one of the possibility. Fine. Now let us assume 935. This is our fourth case जब हमने 935 सेम केस रिपीट किया है और 8 को केस सी में नहीं लेकर केस बी में लिया है। Now here we need to have a sum of 7 from the remaining two numbers, और 7 किस तरह से possible है? Either it could be 1 6, fine, ये 1 6 हो सकता है, ठीक है, और 1 6 हो सकता है। उसके अलावा it cannot be 2 5 because we have already used 5 over here. It cannot be equal to 3 4 because we have already used 3 over here. So this is only one of the possibility. और यदि हमने यहाँ पर ये यूज कर लिया है, so the remaining numbers now are 2 and 4 and I think 7. So that will make the sum to be 30. So these 4 are the cases जो हमें चेक करने थे। हमने किस तरह से स्टार्ट किया था इक्वेशन, एक बार वापस से रिपीट करते हैं। तो we started with the largest digit available to us, 9. 9 को हमने पहले C को देने का ट्राई किया, बट देयर वाज नो पॉसिबिलिटी फॉर दैट। फिर हमने 9 को B में देने का ट्राई किया, सो देयर वाज ओनली वन पॉसिबिलिटी। और जब हमने 9 को A केज में दिया, सो देयर आर 3 पॉसिबिलिटीज नाउ। फाइन. सो नाउ वी हैव 4 possibilities in total, and one condition is still left, and the condition is that to the last, so one of the customer paid 7 rupees, So one of the customer paid 7 rupees. Now let us check in which case it is possible to pay 7 rupees. Now let us check. Now, so let me use some different thing for this. Okay. Okay. So let us check for this case. First case only. तो यहाँ से हम मिनिमम नंबर लेते हैं तो मिनिमम फ्रॉम केज A is 3, डेट फ्रॉम B is 2 एंड डेट फ्रॉम C is 1. सारे मिनिमम लेने पर दिस इज कमिंग आउट टू बी 6. हमें टोटल 7 करना है. किसी एक कस्टमर ने 7 रुपीज पे किए. तो 7 करने के लिए आई कैन नॉट टेक 6 फ्रॉम हियर बिकॉज बाकी दोनों से 1 पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं हो पाएगी. आई कैन नॉट फॉर ऑब्वियस रीजंस आई कैन नॉट टेक 8 आल्सो. तो यहां से तो 3 आएगा, दैट इज फॉर श्योर. यहां से यदि मैं 4 ले लेता हूं 3 के साथ तो वही सम 7 हो जाएगा. फिर यहां से 0 पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है. तो दैट मींस यहां से हमें 2 ही लेना पड़ेगा. और जब मैंने यहां से 3 और 2 ले लिया है तो यहां पर आई हैव ओनली वन ऑप्शन 1 लेना, वो भी सम को 7 नहीं कर रहा है. तो बेसिकली वी कैन से दैट दिस केस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. रीजन, यहां से कैसे भी सम 7 नहीं हो पा रहा है. फाइन. नाउ लेट अस मूव टू केस नंबर सेकंड. Okay, first case is not possible, so I am removing this. I'm simply putting a cross over here. Fine, so this case is not possible. Now let us move to case number second. Second may, if I take a 2 from cage A, 3 from cage B, and 1, so the total will be 6. So instead of 3, can I take 4 from cage B? Now this will make the total to be 7, which is quite possible. फाइन. हमें 7 ही करना था. तो यदि हम यहाँ से 2 लेते हैं, if we select 4 from here and 1 from here, so that will make the total to be 7. Now this is a possible case, we can say. Fine. So now let us move to case number third. Case number third पे move करते हैं. Okay. So case number third, let us try to make the sum equal to 7. So यहाँ से minimum number लेते हैं 3, यहाँ से minimum is 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. ना यहां से हम मिनिमम लेते हैं तो दैट विल मेक द सम टू बी 6. यहां से उससे बड़ा नंबर लेते हैं तो दैट विल एक्सीड द सम. तो बेसिकली हम कह सकते हैं कि दिस केस इज आल्सो नॉट पॉसिबल. फाइन. यहां से सम 7 नहीं हो पा रहा है. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव टू द लास्ट केस. इसको भी एक बार चेक करते हैं. तो लेट मी रिमूव दिस फर्स्ट. ओके, सो in this case again we need to I will try to make the sum equal to 7. so यहाँ से minimum ही लिया जा सकता है. that is the only possibility. I think आपको इसमें कोई confusion नहीं होगा because यहाँ से 5 लेते हैं so to make the sum 7 यहाँ से 1 1 लेना पड़ेगा which is not possible. fine. तो यहाँ से the only possibility that we have is of 3 only. यहाँ से minimum number 1 ही ले सकते हैं हम. और अब मुझे sum 7 करने के लिए I need to have a 3 from here which is not available. so basically केस 4 से भी सम 7 नहीं हो पाएगा. So now the question is quite easy for us. We can say that there is only one possibility, which is we have 9 to 6 in cage A, we have 8 3 4 in cage B, and we have 1 5 and 7 in cage C or case 3. So when this is final, so let me remove all this also. I hope this is clear to you. And now once we are sure about the numbers in the cages, so to answer the question would be very easy for us. Now let us move to the question part. So the first question based on this information was, okay, so what is the lowest payment possible? What is the lowest payment? So for having the lowest payment, I will take out the lowest number from each of the cages. So from here it is 2, from here it is 3, and from here it is 1. So the lowest payment possible is 6 rupees. That is option 3. Fine. Now let's move to the second part. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, what is the maximum sum of money that someone may pay? So for to have the maximum fees, what I need to do is I need to take the maximum number from each of the cages. So from here I will take 9, from here 8, and from here 7. That will make the sum to be 24. The correct answer is option 3. It is 24. Fine. Now third question of this set. Okay, so question number 3 is, which of the following combination of 3 cards chosen for prognosis is impossible? Now see, 1 2 3. Now 1 2 3 is possible. I can take 1 from here, 3 from here, and 2 from here. So 1 2 3 is possible. Now let us move to the second option, 5 8 9. 5 from here, 8 from here, and 9 from here. Again possible. 7 to 3, 7 from here, 2 from here, and 3 from here. Again possible. 5, 7, 6. Now see, 5 and 7, both the numbers are in case number C. So we cannot have two numbers from the same case. So this option is not possible. Now moving to last question of this set. The question is, card on which digit 3 is written is in which cage? So that is in cage B. So the correct answer is second cage. You can say this was cage number 1, cage number 2, and cage number 3. So this is in cage 2. So this was a good question. I hope this must be clear to all of you. Thank you so much for watching the video.